everyone, let us learn about the subtraction of fractions. So here are the some examples. So let us start. Okay. 3 minus 6 by 8. Here as you can see there is no denominator. So what we can do, we can write here 1. Now here is 1, here is 8. So what we have to do, we have to make the denominator same. For this we will take the LCM of the denominator. LCM of 1, 8. This we have to find. Now how we find the LCM? First of all we will write the multiples of 1. Then we will write the multiples of 8. So let us write the multiples of 1. Everyone knows the table of 1. So we will start. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4, 5. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 8 is 8. This you can carry on. Now we will write the multiples of 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. This we can carry on. Okay. Now we have to find the common multiple. Okay. That is above and that is down also. So you can see 1 is here but not here. 2 is here but not here. But there is a number 8. That is upper and down both sides. So we can say the LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. Now what is the another step? Earlier the denominators were different. So these were unlike fractions. Now we have to convert these unlike fractions in like fractions. Means we have to make the denominator same. So what we will do here? Now if I multiply, first of all I will write this again. 3 by 1 minus 6 by 8. Now here is already 8. So here I have to make this 1 as 8. इसको भी 8 बनाना है. So what we will do? If I multiply this 1, this denominator by 8, then the denominator will become 8. But this is a rule. If you multiply the denominator by 8, you have to multiply the numerator also. This we will keep the same. Because here the denominator is already 8. So no need to change it. Just write it as it is. Now solve it. 3 times 8 is 24 by 8 minus 6 by 8. Now you can see the denominators are same. So now these are converted in like fractions. Now these are like fractions. Now how we will solve or how we will subtract the like fractions? Keep the denominator same. We just have to subtract the numerator. 24 minus 6 will be 18. So this is the answer. But answer is in improper fraction because numerator is big and denominator is small. So we have to convert this in mixed fraction. So before converting it in mixed fraction, let us cut it. See 8 and 18 both will come in the table of 2. So we can cut it. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 9 is 18. Now there is no table in which 9 and 4 both will come. So now we will divide this 9 by 4 to get the mixed fraction. Keep this 9 inside, 4 outside. Now 4 times 2 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. How we will write the mixed fraction? We start from here. So the answer is 2 is to 1 by 4. Now we will solve one more example of the same type when one number is a whole number and another is the proper fraction. Why we call it proper fraction? Because the numerator is small and denominator is big. 4 by 6 means I divided a pizza in 6 equal parts and out of this 6 parts. A pizza is divided in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts, and out of this 6, can I eat this 4 parts? Can I eat? Right, I can eat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, and out of this I can eat 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is possible, that is why it is called proper fraction. Now how we will solve it? This is a whole number and this is a proper fraction. Here denominator is nothing. If denominator is nothing, we can write 1 here. Now just check it whether these are like fractions or unlike fractions. So these are unlike fraction because here is 1 and here is 6. So we have to convert this 1 and 6. So first of all we will find the LCM of 1 and 6. First of all write the multiples of 1, then write multiples of 6. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 3, 3, 1 times 4, 4, 1 times 5, 5, 1 times 6 is 6. Here is 6, 6 ones are 6. Now you can see the 6 is a common multiple, so the LCM of 1 and 6 is 6. Now what we have to do here is 1 and here is 6. So we have to convert this 1. इस 1 को कहाँ convert करेंगे? In 6. First of all write it again. 7 by 1 minus 4 by 6. Now if I want to convert this 1 into 6, what I have to do? I have to multiply the denominator by 6. And if I multiply the denominator by 6, then I have to multiply the numerator also by 6. So let us multiply the numerator and denominator both by 6. Now solve it. 7 times 6 is 42 by 6 minus 4 by 6. Now you can see the denominators are same. Here is 6 and here is also 6. Now how we can solve the denominator? How we can solve this fraction? Just keep the denominator same and subtract the numerator. 42 minus 4, it will be 38 by 6. Again this is a proper fraction. So when the answer is in proper fraction, I have to convert this in mixed fraction. How we can convert? By division method. But first of all we will cut it and we will make it in a simplest form. 38 and 6 both will come in the table of 2. So let us divide it. 2 times 3 is 6. Now you can divide it here. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 from here 18. 2 times 9 is 18. So if I cut it, the simplest form will be 19 by 3. Again this is an improper fraction. 19 is big and 3 is small. Out of 3 parts I cannot eat 19. So this is improper fraction. So I have to divide and I have to convert this in mixed fraction. So let us divide it. 19 inside, 3 outside. 3 times 6 is 18. And 19 minus 18 is 1. So the answer we start from here. 6 is 2, 1 by 3. This is the final answer. I hope you understood the topic. Practice it. Thank you everyone for watching the video.